Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on unlocking hidden features in Roblox Studio. Now Roblox Studio is a powerful tool and there are indeed many features that can significantly improve your development workflow that are often overlooked. So if you find any of these tips helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Here's a breakdown of some of those hidden gems. The first thing we'd like to talk about is keyboard shortcuts. Roblox has a wide array of keyboard shortcuts that can drastically speed up your work. Learning these can save you a lot of time. So in order to get to this, we're going to click on a template. So now that we're here, you can customize these shortcuts by going over to File at the top left corner, going over to Advanced, hovering over it, and then you can click on Customize Shortcuts. Click on it. In here, you can see some shortcuts which you can use while working here in the studio. You can also look at the top here, such as copy option. And then you can see copy is Ctrl+C as you can use it universally. And there are other options you could try out. But familiarizing yourself with keyboard shortcuts, which is often overlooked, will definitely speed up your work. We're going to give you an example. So say we have a script here, and for this script, you'd like to write some comments. As you can see in this patch, you have this comment, create a script inside the part. You have these other options. So we're going to click right here and then write in this script. And then while we're still here, we can click on Control and /. This quickly turns this written statement into a comment and it will not be part of the code. Another thing you could do is to make good use of plugins. Now, the Roblox community has created a vast library of plugins that add incredible functionality to the studio. Plugins are found at the top right corner. When you click on them, you can view sounds, plugins folder, and manage plugins. But this is only after you've been able to download plugins from the Roblox community. Here you can see you haven't installed any plugins yet, and to find more plugins, open the marketplace by clicking the plus button, and we're going to do just that. So here you can explore the marketplace within the Roblox Studio to find plugins that suit your needs. Plugins can automate repetitive tasks, add new tools, and streamline your workflow. So go ahead and look through categories, trending, essential, and the rest of them to help speed up your work. This is truly a hidden gem. And lastly, we have the Roblox Creator Hub. This is an official documentation for Roblox development. It's an invaluable resource for learning about all of Roblox Studio's features and capabilities. Spending time exploring the Creator Hub can reveal many hidden features and best practices. We'll be dropping the link to Roblox Creator Hub so you can easily get access to it. As you can see right here, you can create an avatar item, add community content to your experience, learn from other creators, learn from Roblox staff. So you can see that these are really cool options that you can go ahead and learn from. Over time, you will be better at what you do. Now, we hope these tips were helpful for you, and you can go ahead and let us know in the comment section below which of these hidden gems which we've mentioned were helpful, or if you have any hidden gems you'd like to share. And if you found this video insightful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.